Hello friends, welcome to acubeias YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about Ladakh apricot. So this Ladakh apricot has been exported to Dubai, and this move will boost the local farmers. Now local farmers will benefit from this move. Now they'll be able to make some money. Moreover, this first consignment, it was prepared, it was packed, it was harvested by local people. So they got the jobs. So they are also making some money. So this move, this development, it is helping so many people. And Apera has been instrumental behind this export. So Apera provided technical assistance to local people, and as a result they could export this apricot. Now from the prelims perspective, Apera becomes extremely important. Why? Because in the recent times we have seen the exports of so many things, and Apera has been playing a massive role in exporting all these fruits, vegetables, products. Now from the prelims perspective, our focus has to be on Apera. Now this Apera, remember, it was established by Government of India through 1985 Act. Apera 1985 Act. And this Apera, it functions under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Commerce and Industry. So this body of the government, it is entrusted with the responsibility of export promotion. So anything related to export, it is handled by this Apera. Okay, be it export infrastructure, market development, establishment of value chain. So all these things are handled by Apera. Now, when we think of Apera, we think that it is related to export. Okay, that it deals with matters related to export. Just remember one fact, that Apera, it monitors the import of sugars. Just remember that it monitors the import of sugar as well. So this fact is very, very important, that it takes care of the import of sugar. Although it deals with matters related to export promotion, but in the case of sugar, it deals with the import. Okay, so this fact is very, very important. Now let's try to know some facts about apricot. This apricot, it is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, carbohydrates, etc. And it has very soothing, unique taste. And it has very good texture, and it is high in sugar content. High in sugar content. Okay. So from the prelims perspective, just remember the facts related to Apera, that 1985 Act, it was established through this act. Second, it deals with matters related to export promotion. Okay, it provides the market infrastructure, export infrastructure, and value chain development. And remember, it monitors the import of sugar as well. So all these facts are very, very important. So if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. We upload daily current affairs on our YouTube channel, and you can follow our social media platforms also. We upload daily current affairs content, and do not forget to download the notes. We'll provide the link in the description box. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye.